Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report from my friend Richard over in West Virginia on his Connex 3300 HP. Richard got it ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, electrolytic cap upgrade, wide banded the transmit and receive, fixed your external speaker jack, fixed your DC jack, new diode. I think that might have been it. Did so much, don't know. But anyways, here we go. Got your power on low right there. 25 watt slug. Gets about 2.5 on low. 5 on high. Show you average power swing. Low, about 17 bird. 50 watt slug in PEP. Low, a good 50 watts. Okay, Richard's ready to go. I am going to clean your potentiometers for you before we send it out. That's one thing I forgot to do. This one here's scratcy. Just a little bit. You can hear it. Just a little bit. We're going to go ahead and clean that for you, though. But since you that little video, you heard your receiver. I think you're really going to be pleased with it. Hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.